So I'm here in the sort of the ops room of the Media 24 TeamSpeak conference at the Arabella Spa in Kleinmond. Since we've got 150 odd delegates here at the conference for the next 2 days, we wanted to do a little test. So any readers of Media 24 titles would have noticed this publishing trend of using two-dimensional barcodes or so-called tags to connect to multimedia content in many of our publications. Huisgenoot noticeably. On the paper side, Rapport has been using it quite a lot. But the question is, how many of our own sort of people in the company actually use these tags? So we had this idea of creating a sort of a scavenger hunt. We called it Arabella the Hunt. And we've got 4 clues. We're going to put it up in the hotel. Applications. Feel a bit like Banksy of the Arabella. Download the tag reader, which is free at gettag.mobi. So that's scanned clue 1. It gives you this message. Welcome to the hunt. Where the fish is raw, the next clue will be. Look around. It's not hard to see. Remember the number 123. So that's the first clue. So obviously that's the sushi bar. So we kind of intend to guide people there, and if they have a minute to go to the sushi bar out of curiosity and see what the next clue is. That's going to be clue 2. Okay, just to recap. So we've put up 3 tags, those sort of equaling 3 clues, each one leading you to the next clue, saying where you should go to find it. Once you get there, it's either a text message or a sort of written message, or it's a video, and then the final one is a form.
Wat is dit?
Dit is soos van 'n skattejag waar jy scan hierdie kode en dan
ja, jy kan dit ook plak.
Maar ons soek dit lekker prominent. Soos miskien daar. It starts scanning the barcode. Yes. Okay, so this is the last and sort of most labor-intensive part of the exercise. You have to fill in your name. Okay. And what was the number given in clue number 1? What was the clue given right at the beginning? And submit. So that's the last step. Then your entry form with your name and the clue is sent to a Gmail account. We put all those entries together and we just do a good old lucky draw, and we pick a winner who takes home an iPhone. I don't know if that's still an incentive to any of these delegates, but surely maybe there's some of them who could still do with an iPhone. Okay, so we're back in the hub where we started with the whole hunt. The 4th clue takes you to a form. It asks you to fill in your name, and then that form, when you press submit, it goes to the inbox, Sebastian's inbox. How many entries have you had?
Well, in the hour between 12:30 and 1:30, we've had 10 legitimate entries. So 10 delegates have entered.
Hi, I'm Claudette. I'm manning the Touch Lab iPad table.
So do they look confused, baffled and frustrated with it all?
For clue 3, they seem pretty clued up on what to do.
Congratulations on finding your clue.
I saw a lot of people struggling on clue number 2. Struggling for it to play on a certain iPhone handset. It seemed to only play half of the video clip, and it was tremendous frustration amongst the people taking part, which is interesting to note from an editorial point of view, because this is what we put our readers through, a lot of our readers through every week.
We see here that Nico Murray got the wrong answer, so let's delete him, and that leaves us with these top 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Top 8 in who are our finalists. So,
but as we said, we're going to do it still on the basis of a lucky draw.